For this question, you have to look inside each inner bracket and deduce what the highest power of x is when you expand. So if you look at the first bracket, you have an x to the power 6, but a power 3, so x to the power 18. Next, an 8 to the power 8, but a power 4 outside. That gives us x to the power 32. Well, that's bigger than 18. And we have a power 5 outside that. So we multiply 5 and 32 to get 160. Finally, the outermost bracket has a power 3 outside it. So that's going to take you to 480. Looking inside the other square brackets, we find x to the 25 and x to the 28. We're only interested in the highest power of x, so we're looking at x to the 28. We times that by 6. So when we expand our square brackets, we're going to get an x to the power 68. And now we're timesing that by 3 because of the final bracket has an index of 3. And this is going to bring us to our final answer.